So this is my backup server, which is supposed to work and keep backups of the other two server, my home server and the Computer Crunch server. And this is my former LAN server. See how they look the same? That's because they are the same, other than the fact that this one's got more hard drives and no optical drive. So the motherboard on this seems to be dead. Like the network's not working, it's being a bit flaky with booting. I've tried so many things and it just won't work. So we're going to transfer all of the hard drives from this into this. Okay, so let's start by opening them up. So yeah, this machine's just behaving really weirdly. Oh, that's the lock. That's locked. There's an electronic lock on this, which I will transfer over to this system. Yeah, prevents the lid from coming up, so I've got to go into the BIOS and unlock it. Okay, so this Imperia just comes off. There we go. Right. So first I'm going to start with removing these and popping them here like this. Right now I'll gut this, and then we can shift all of that into here. I've got a feeling that this power supply gets noisy, so I'll pop the power supply from here into here. There we are, that's our DVD drive out. Let's get our hard drive. They've all got 8 gigs of RAM, so we can leave that in. And boom. Right, that machine is gutted as far as it needs to be. Right, let's get everything from this machine to this one. So I'm going to need some extra SATA cables, so I'll grab these ones. In fact, I only need one of them. Grab this red one. Now I can take out, I'll just unplug these, and I can take out this. I think that hard drive is dead as a dodo because the SATA connector is just snapped off. That's strange. Well, I've got a temporary little one that I can put in. But yeah, you have to come out. And that's where the stupid screw that caused all of this came from. Right, that's weird. But that to me is a dead hard drive. Right, let's see if this one does it. Yes. Right. Need a slightly smaller one. Yeah, I know it's a hard drive, but it's a dead hard drive. Get this screw up. Right, well that hard drive is dead as a dodo. I'll grab, I happen to have another 2 terabyte hard drive that I'll use. It's a small one, but it'll work temporarily. Although this server does not have redundancy, so it's just going to have to be reset once this can be replaced. Let's see. All this. Oh great. can actually mount like that. So we are good to go. Right, let's get this screw in. I'll grab the screw that I found in here, which probably killed the thing. Here we are. It is a temporary solution. Oh dear. Right, now let's get this hard drive out, which shouldn't be broken. Yeah, that one's fine. And we can also get this hard drive out from here. Yeah, that one's fine too. I don't know what happened to that other one. That was weird. Yeah, now I'm going to take this lock out of here so that it can be used on another machine. I'll grab my screwdriver set here. LTTstore.com. Review coming sometime soon. Take that out. We can take this out. And that is everything we need from that computer. We can shove that over to the side. And I'll just get rid of the dust in this computer. Okay, so now that is clean, we can start popping everything back in again. So I'll put this lock thing in first. I'll pop this in first. Maybe the other way around. There we go. We can put the smart cover thing on. There we go. Okay, now I can install this hard drive. Nice and easy, it just slots in. And plug it in. I can put this hard drive in here. This can go in there, this can go in here. Right, and now then this can go on the top. Pop that in there, and then get this SATA cable. Pop that in there. Right, that can go there, and this one can go up. And this can all be tidied up and clipped into there. And that can go down. That can go down. I'll pop this one on here because it's got the label on it. And then I can put the cover on it and test it. So this computer actually boots properly and connects to the network, so I think that motherboard's dead-ish. It still boots, but can't really do much else as a server. Well, that's the way of it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share this video with your friends, comment and subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time. See ya.